For me, Barisha, it would be what is the greatest ever you can do every day, over and over again. Go home and come back and repeat. This is what you need to do. And uske liye, to be a good, effective teacher, you have to work hard. तो अगर आपने कन्वीनियंस के तौर पे ये प्रोफेशन को चूज किया है, then you've chosen wrongly. Because this is a 365 days, 24/7 profession. और actually ये है, सपने में भी स्कूल आता है. I didn't dream of my children when I was sleeping. But my last thought was school, my first thought was school, and I dreamt of the school.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of edX Talks. और आज मेरे साथ है मिस सुरजीत खन्ना. She has been into the education industry for almost 4 decades now. मैम टीचिंग में रह चुकी हैं. She has been the founding principal for DPS Greater Faridabad, which is an eminently progressive school. And what I love the most about ma'am is that after her retirement from that principalship, she has ventured into the digital space and she runs her social media channels by the name Suroko Scribbles. मैम उस पर अपनी लाइफ जर्नी शेयर करती हैं, अपना जो भी उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस रहे हैं, लर्निंग्स जो है वो शेयर करती हैं. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट इट इज़ ग्रेट टू सी दैट बिकॉज यू नो आपका जो पैशन फॉर लाइफ है मैम, आप उसे लेट गो नहीं कर रहे हो. आप अपने किसी ना किसी वे में एंगेज्ड रख रहे हो, नई चीज़ें ट्राई कर रहे हो इवन एट दिस एज. सो दैट्स एन इंस्पिरेशन टू बी ऑनेस्ट. So first of all, thank you so much for coming here, being with us for this conversation.
Thank you. It's an absolute honor and a pleasure for me.
Thank you, ma'am. And आज जो हम टॉपिक कवर करने वाले हैं मैम के साथ, बिकॉज एज आई शेयर के ऑलमोस्ट 4 decades मैम ने टीचिंग एंड एजुकेशन लाइन में स्पेंड किए हैं. सो वी आर गोइंग टू बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेम स्पेस, लेकिन एक ट्विस्ट के साथ. सो यूजुअली जब भी हम एजुकेशन की बात करते हैं, हमारा फोकस जो होता है वो स्टूडेंट्स के बारे में होता है. होना भी चाहिए, of course, they are the future. But at the same time, we are going to be putting the spotlight in today's conversation on the teachers. Teachers का role, teachers के experiences, उनके work cultures, उनके life में stresses, because of course that itself is a complete industry, a complete job role. So we can start with the conversation on that, ma'am.
Absolutely ready.
सबसे पहले because आपके पास इतना experience है, like I think 40 years पहले when you started in teaching and now when you've retired just recently, ma'am, did the role remain same as a teacher or for an educationist, or the culture or that space evolved with time, and how if it did?
Definitely both the space and culture have evolved, but some things still remain strong as the core, because as a teacher your passion, आपका पूरा focus of energy, skills, attention remains the student.
Right.
तो आप चाहते हो कि आप अपने students को best of your competence दो, और उनकी जो evolution है, उनकी जो growth है, उसको आप strongly support करो. So that core objective of being a teacher, it doesn't alter at all, no matter how time passes by. But yes, the entire environment of educational world per se, वो बहुत evolve हुई है over a period of time, and I would say that it was extremely simple. The expectations were always there. ऐसे कभी भी नहीं था कि आपसे strong और clear expectations नहीं हैं, वो था. और opportunities to evolve yourself came from wanting to evolve the students. तो आप कॉन्स्टेंटली सोचते थे कि किस डायरेक्शन में स्टूडेंट्स को लेके जाएं, कहाँ पे उनका इंटरेस्ट डेवलप करें, कैसे करें, नए एरियाज इमर्ज कौन से कर रहे हैं, क्या एक्सपोजर लाएं, क्लासरूम में क्या एक्सपोजर बाहर है, जाके उसको भी हम अपना बनाएं. सो वो सब था. बट आई थिंक टेक ने ज़रूर सिनारियो को चेंज किया है.
बिल्कुल.
Or globally, we've got connected. Like in my last school, we were doing online projects with schools across Egypt, across UK, France, Japan,
Wow.
Spain. I mean, lots of countries. Lebanon.
Got it.
सो वो शायद जब मैंने करियर शुरू किया था उस तरह की अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं थी हमें. But I think teachers are a very enterprising lot, Barisha. तो आप हमें एक छोटी सी उंगली दो ना तो हम पूरा हाथ ले लेते हैं और एक्सप्लोर करने में हेजिटेट ही नहीं करते कि किस तरफ हम ले जा सकते हैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स को और किस तरह की नई कॉन्स्टेंटली न्यू दुनिया हम उनके लिए ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं in terms of exposure. And that's what keeps us evolving and keeps us relevant to our
Right.
times. And that's our strength. And that's why no matter the technology, no matter IA, no matter anything, robots or anything, the teacher is going to remain constant, Barisha. एक अच्छी टीचर की जो पोजीशन है ना वो नहीं हिलने वाली.
Beautifully put, ma'am. And I don't think I could agree more with this because, you know, बहुत कॉमन ट्रेंड हो गया है. एक तो फ्यूचरिस्टिक अप्रोच भी है, एक विजन है कहीं ना कहीं लोगों का कि रोबोट्स विल रिप्लेस, ऑनलाइन स्कूलिंग विल कम, होम स्कूलिंग विल कम. And then there's this trend that, you know, you don't really have to go to school, everything is there on the YouTube. But as you said कि जो एक अच्छी टीचर का पोजीशन है, रोल है, that does remain the same, right? And I do have one story जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा interesting है. But I'll keep that for the end of the video, ma'am. पहले हम professional वाला aspect cover करेंगे and then I like to dive into that story with you.
Okay, sure.
So for now, let's come back to the teaching as a career or as an industry.
All right.
So initially what I feel is कि कहीं ना कहीं जितना भी हम अपने elderly में देखते हैं, you know, आपकी generation में we have a lot of people who were into this profession, right? But what happens is आज की डेट में I think the number of people जिनसे हम सुनते हैं that I want to be a teacher who say that very passionately or who want to get into this career passionately, I feel is less. Okay, so maybe that's just because my circle doesn't have that could be there. But ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि वो नंबर एक्चुअली में थोड़ा सा डिप में है. So what do you think on that? And अगर वो है, so why do you think कि ये gap exist करता है?
Barisha, when we were growing up, the professional opportunities for women limited थी.
बिल्कुल.
Right? और बहुत safe careers के ऊपर ध्यान होता था.
Right.
Careers that will go with home, with family, all right?
Right.
And socially and culturally they are very respectable. Okay, safe kind of careers.
Right.
मुझे याद है कि English Honours GCW अमृतसर में करने के बाद I wanted to do journalism.
Okay.
And my mother said no because somebody told her that lady journalists, female journalists, उनके लिए एक secure environment नहीं है. So, and that finished the topic in our home, no matter how much I tried to persuade.
Right.
But today, if any student asks me that, ma'am, I want to take up journalism, and I said, that sounds good,
Right.
right?
And the times have changed.
Times
of
have
course.
changed, and the plethora of opportunities, the kind of roles that are visible to all of us, I mean, they have changed. Today, अगर कोई मुझे बच्चा पूछता है तो I always will have one question. Betu, what do you think you can pursue with passion? Where do you think you're willing to work hard and become excellent at it?
Right.
So if excellence is what you can guarantee that you will strive to achieve, strive for excellence, the whole universe is yours. आप कुछ भी pick up कर लो. I'm sitting with a young lady like you who's moving the world with her words, right? And but it couldn't have happened in my times. Or
Right.
if it happened for a very small number of people.
True.
Very, very
That was
small.
a rare thing.
Yeah, so these are exciting times. These are enlarging times. यहाँ पे आपका जो हकीकत है जिंदगी की और दुनिया की वो इतनी rapidly evolve हो रही है. हर दिन नई ideation, हर दिन नए dimensions, right? I recently, attended a workshop, and I heard the term biodiversity citizenship at school,
Okay.
and I started studying it. And that's one area I'm currently studying with a lot of interest and passion
Wow.
because I see a lot of meaning in it. but it certainly wasn't there 10 years ago.
Right.
So we are lucky. We live in good times, exciting times. You know, एक चार्ल्स डिकिंस का नॉवल है A Tale of Two Cities,
Okay.
और बहुत एक क्लासिक पीस ऑफ राइटिंग है. तो उसकी ओपनिंग लाइंस हैं, It was the best of times, it was the worst of times. And it talks of the French Revolution.
Okay.
और मुझे लगता है कि ये जो लाइन है ये आज के टाइम के लिए 100% relevant है. It is the best of times for if you are passionate, inspired, daring,
Right.
you want to experiment, explore, search out,
Right.
it is the best of the times. And it is the worst of the times if you're one of those who's lethargic, you don't have a vision for yourself,
True.
and you're not willing to put yourself out there. आप रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहते, आप इवॉल्व नहीं करना चाहते, एक कंफर्ट जोन में रहना चाहते हैं, या आप वॉल्स को ब्रेक नहीं कर रहे हो और आप डोर्स नहीं खोल रहे हो अपने लिए सोच के और एक्शन के और जीने के, right? So this is a beautiful time that we are in. It's the best of time,
Right.
and if you are not eager, well, it could be the worst
Worst
of times
time.
for you.
True, very well said, ma'am. But ma'am, giving an additional layer to the question, no doubt opportunities, because there are so many opportunities आज की generation के पास. Do you think that because of the image the industry holds, or maybe because of the lack of growth that could be there, we are lacking on good people who could actually come into the teaching profession?
The choice of teaching as a profession, unfortunately, is not the first choice of young
Right.
people today. और इस बात को हमें recognize करना पड़ेगा और इसको rationalize कर देना that there are other opportunities which pay more. That may be so. But even then, I think it is important for us to look very closely at this professional area. तो अभी educator से हमारी expectations बहुत high हैं, all school managements, right? और workload
Ma'am,
high है.
I would really like you to share raw and candid stresses, expectations, the kind of work, the kind of challenges the teachers go through, so that, you know, the people who are watching this, who are listening to us, they need to understand that teaching is not just के सुबह गए दोपहर को घर आ गए उसके बाद क्या ही है, घर संभालो बच्चे संभालो. It's not that. So really, you know, I would like you to share के actually में वो profession जो है to the core वो कैसा है. Like you're talking about the expectations that are there. What are those expectations? How challenging this job can be?
It is as challenging as the most challenging job on earth ever. Okay? Because आपका material is a living material. ठीक है, कुर्सी मेज नहीं है, policies नहीं है,
बिल्कुल.
right? Business figures नहीं है. It is real living life.
बिल्कुल.
राइट और हम में से कोई भी अपनी जिंदगी का 1 मिनट एक्सटेंड नहीं कर सकता और 1 मिनट
कम नहीं कर सकता.
रीलिव नहीं कर सकता. देयर इज नो रिवाइंड,
Right.
देयर इज नो रिवाइंड, देयर इज ओनली मूवमेंट फॉरवर्ड. सो आपके पास जो समय है, आपके पास जो रिसोर्सेज हैं और आपके सामने जो लर्नर्स हैं, उनके साथ में सब चीज़ों को अपने कॉम्पिटेंस को साथ में जोड़ के what is the best you can do, what is the greatest you can do, best तो छोड़ दीजिए. For me, Barisha, it would be what is the greatest ever you can do every day, over and over again, go home and come back and repeat
Right.
ceaselessly. That is what you need to do. And उसके लिए to be a good effective teacher, you have to work hard. तो अगर आपने कन्वीनियंस के तौर पे ये प्रोफेशन को चूज किया है, then you've chosen wrongly. Because this is a 365 days, 24/7 profession. और actually ये है, सपने में भी स्कूल आता है. Seriously, I'm not joking, right? I don't dream I didn't dream of my children when I was sleeping. But my last thought was school. My first thought was school. And I dreamt of the school. And मैंने अपने बेड के साथ में एक कागज डायरी रखी हुई थी
Okay.
कि जब कोई आइडिया आए तो माई माइंड वुड वेक अप. और मुझे अभी 100 times I remember सोई उठी, fumbling around for that paper, fumbling for that pen and writing down, scribbling a word and going back to sleep. और सुबेरे क्या लिखा मैंने, trying to make sense of it. This is actually true, and I know that many of us are like that. Right? So, understand us as professionals. Don't take us lightly. Don't take us people who are doing a convenient work. We are not.
Right.
और अगर हम ना हो तो तब बात करिएगा आप. अगर हवा ना हो, पानी ना हो, तब बात करिएगा. और अगर एजुकेटर्स ना हो तब बात करिएगा. तो आप जो दुनिया भर का कॉम्पिटेंस लेके आपका फ्रॉम प्राइम मिनिस्टर, प्रेसिडेंट्स ऑफ कंट्री टू द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ साइंटिस्ट, टू द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ डांसर्स, सिंगर्स, राइटर्स, म्यूजिशियंस, थिंकर्स, फिलोसोफर्स, स्पिरिचुअलिस्ट, राइट, आप कोई डोमेन मेंशन कर दो, हम हर एक डोमेन के पीछे हैं टीचर्स.
बिल्कुल मैम.
राइट. सो पहले तो हम ये बात समझें, एंड वी ट्राई एंड गिव क्रेडिट टू देम. राइट. इट जस्ट लाइक students need encouragement and teachers provide it.
Right.
Parents provide it.
Right.
The same way the teacher fraternity needs encouragement, and the school management and school leaders have to provide it. Students have to provide it. Parents and community has to provide it. Right? So if all this goes together, फिर हम एक थोड़ी professionally rich environment अगर हम create कर पाते हैं, जहाँ पे हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस के साथ में हाई हैंड होल्डिंग भी है, जहाँ पे इम्बैलेंस ऑफ वर्कलोड है एट सम टाइम, तो वहाँ पे ब्रीदिंग स्पेस का प्रोविजन भी है एट अनदर पॉइंट. राइट. जहाँ पे इंटरपर्सनल फ्रिक्शन है फॉर सम टाइम, वहाँ पे एफर्ट है इन द स्कूल कल्चर टू करेक्ट दैट फ्रिक्शन एंड सेट थिंग्स राइट. राइट. So, I think जहाँ पे हम expect करते हैं teachers to dress up well, to come smartly turned out, we ensure that their salaries help them to provide the family, and then there is something for them as well. So, आप expectations रखिए. मतलब मुझे as an educator expectations से कोई भी problem नहीं. Right? Because I want to do a good job. Right. But I want that support, that resource set, that understanding, that appreciation, right? Bilkul. So that I can continue to do amazing work.
Right.
Right? Yeah.
Very well said, ma'am. And really this has to be, understood at large by the society, because only then things can change, to be honest. But now coming to the suspense, I would say, जो वीडियो में मैंने रखा था initially, जैसे कि आपने, because
what is it?
no, because you just mentioned that teachers play a role in shaping all the great people that are out there, and I know one of them, जिसको particularly you have played an important role. So this is I think few months back. Okay. So I think everybody knows Veer Das, and of course
yes.
you do, ma'am. So a few months back, Veer Das on Teachers Day only, he posted a picture, and I didn't know उससे पहले. उस Instagram post में he mentioned your name and the school's name, and because I am connected to the थोड़ा education industry through my mom, so I read that name and I immediately it clicked that I think I've met you or I know you. I checked it with my mom and she was like, हाँ ये, and then I tagged you even in that post that okay, if you guys are not connected, so there should be a way that you connect back. And then a lot of people found your page and they tagged you in the comments below on that post. I don't know if you guys connected or not, but I'll also share कि उस post में था क्या. So Veer Das is a stand-up comedian and he's recently hosted the Emmy. Now, in that post, he specifically shares that how as a student, when people did not believe in him, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आप थोड़े एवरेज स्कोरर होते हो या आप थोड़े नोटोरियस होते हो, तो यू नो पेरेंट्स एंड मोस्टली टीचर्स वो भी आपको डांटते हैं, समझाते हैं, आपको इतना सीरियसली नहीं लेते हैं. एंड ये स्पेशली मेंशन कि सुरजीत मैम ने कैसे उस पर ट्रस्ट शो किया, उसे आई थिंक किसी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए या स्टेज के लिए encourage किया, एंड हाउ ही स्टिल रिमेंबर्स दैट एंड इज थैंकफुल कि वो encouragement जो थी it has brought him this you know long way. So इस पे I would like to know the story थोड़ी सी if you can share, and also developing on that actually में how teachers today who are watching this, educators who are watching this, can play their role shaping good positive human beings, successful human beings.
So Veer was my student decades ago. This would be in 90s, right? Or I was not his teacher of English,
Okay.
but I was the teacher handling debates, declamations, theatre,
Okay.
and Veer was extremely interested in this. He was a very fine debater.
Okay.
He wrote very well,
Okay.
and he acted very well. But he was just too interested in the co-curriculars to be interested in academics,
Right.
right? And like all parents worry, his parents worried. And that's where I came in, and they felt that Sujit Khanna encourages him too much, right? The part that I'd like to share with you begins after there was a newspaper article to say, stand-up comedian Veer Das returns to India, right? So he had started stand-up comedy in USA, and it was very, very early. He was one of the early artists.
Okay.
It wasn't really known. And the librarian passed on that article to me as part of the student newspaper that comes to school. I was maha thrilled, and I cut out, I said, give me about 20 of them. And I cut out this article, and I went around the school pasting it on every board with the heading, R. Veer Das is back.
Wow.
Right? So that done, and then he had his first performance at Habitat Center in New Delhi. So I got a seat right at the back on the top gallery, and I've watched him with immense pride. I mean, his speech, wit, humor, presence, it surpassed all my expectations. I stood at the entry of the stage from the green room area, and I saw him interacting with the media people.
Okay.
His back was towards me, Barisha, and that moment is the most perfect moment that I've had with Veer. His back was towards me, and from the exit door, I said, Veer, and he turned fully around and he said, Sujit ma'am.
Wow.
This is after years of, never seeing each other, not talking. And he got up and he came to me and he met me and he talked to me and he told the press, she's the lady.
Okay.
She's my teacher.
Wow.
Because of her, I'm here. Interestingly, let me tell you, with my daughter's consent, I have named my grandson Veer.
Wow.
Yeah. I haven't told Veer this.
I hope he gets to know it. You connect with him, ma'am. You go meet him.
But I do have a very perfect moment with him. And similarly, there are very loving moments with Nimrat Kaur.
Okay.
Again, another dip site of Noida. And there are very affectionate moments with Prabal Punjabi, an emerging artist. Again, TPS Noida, and whole lot of writers and scientists, and many of them CEOs and so on and so forth. I mean, Sujit Khanna is a very rich teacher. I have amazing set of students, and each one of them knows Sujit ma'am is for me. She loves, she cares. And so that's the answer. There is no formula, there is no secret. You have to find your own way forward as a teacher. But the most important ingredient is caring, being there through all the seasons, not just one. Every day, and standing strong and ensuring that your competence is of a level which is building lives.
Right, ma'am, I think, to be honest, after this conversation and everything that you've shared, you are, the real definition of the word teacher
Wow.
or educator, because that's what this profession is about, and that's how it should be, to be honest, which is many times missing out in
Thank
people.
you.
But
for
this
saying
conversation, your journey, you as a person are truly, truly inspiring. And before we wrap up this conversation, one message we always take from our guests for our viewers.
I would say consistency. All right. Consistency over anything erratic.
Okay.
All right. Progress over perfection.
Right.
All right. Genuineness over occasional interest.
True.
Okay. And being humane over being egoist.
Wow, man.
Rest will fall in place.
Very beautiful. Thank you so much. One of my favorite conversations till date, to be honest, because I love when we're not just discussing the subject matter and life overall in general. So thank you so much for taking out time, for being here with us, giving all these insights and experiences to our audience. And so if you like the video, which I'm sure you did, do hit the like button, put in the comments your views. If there's anything जो आप चाहते हैं हम अपनी अगली videos में cover करें, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.
Thank you, Barisha. Thank you, everyone.